defiance. So let me stress again the importance of this mission. They deserve to be warned. Everyone deserves that chance. It is the will of the Council. We are indebted to your years of service, but if you disobey this order, it all counts for nothing. So, Joe, if you don't respond this time, we're coming for you. I know.
Reroute the grid. We can still save them. Quickly.
The grid autolocked to protect us. Oh, damn this junk!
We've lost everyone in beta sleep.
Both chambers. But they're the lucky ones. I'd rather die in a dream than wake up to this nightmare.
Like any storm I've seen before. With no traceable source, I can't outrun it.
Look, the answer's not on that battered old system. This is something more than a solar storm. It's supernatural. If we want to survive this, we have no choice. We have to use the relic.
You'll need to bring Kyle. I'll get the guy aboard passage.
Well, I told you it was a bad omen to let a man on board.
He paid top duty and we needed it.
Did you get ID?
Pay enough? Names don't matter. You?
A moment.
You should come to the command center.
I'm not part of your crew.
You're a peacemaker. Why did you board our ship? What are you looking for among lumps of rock?
I don't have to explain myself to you. I don't think you would like people asking questions about your past, would you?
Mining stone taught me how to really see people. First appearances, plain and crude. I look closer. Of beauty. My crew may appear raw to you, but everyone is precious. If you have any hidden skills, now would be the time to show them.
About stellar X, may I? Judging from the intensity, I'd say an X flare. Does your system have a name for the star origin or distance?
That's the curious thing. It's not a wave pattern. It's not coming from a star. It's on all sides simultaneously.
It's totally unnatural.
And that can't be right.
How long till our rescue ships arrive?
We've lost comms. No one's coming.
Lucky the lights are still on.
Can you get us through this?
What about evac?
Single unit. Damaged.
They don't give high-grade ships to ex-cons. No one cares if we die out here.
Why is this happening?
This is something beyond our understanding. Our problem is in here, not out there.
But we've done our time. I've done mine. Nobody can say I haven't paid it.
There's one way to be sure. The relic will reveal any hidden guilt.
This isn't a storm. It's a weapon.
Let this speak for each of us. Primal instinct cannot lie.
What happens if you roll red?
Then you get rid of me.
Well, the council forbids this form of divination, so...
Everyone rolls. Or they walk. Bare-skinned.
I will not be a part of your blood rites. It's juvenile.
What curse have you brought here?
You would kill me over some ancient trinket.
Start talking quietly.
I do not answer to you. A ship full of ex-cons and the knife points at the peacemaker. How prophetic.
Your position doesn't make you better than any of us.
If you truly believe I'm the cause of this, throw me off the ship.
You can die in here with us, or you can die out there. It makes little difference now. But if you are the target, we might survive. Bring him.
How can you do this?
He's right. We've all taken life. We can't judge him.
And yet, judgment is here.
Wait! Wait! I'm a good man, and I'm here because of that. I stood by my beliefs, rejected my last mission.
Peacemakers don't desert.
There is a dying star that threatens a life planet, and the council wanted me to offer them our help.
And you wouldn't go.
The planet is Nineveh. We help them, and they will only attack us again. I'm trying to stop future wars.
How long have you known this wasn't a storm? But the council. When did you know you were responsible?
I'm doing this to save lives, for peace.
Keep telling yourself that. You've brought death here.
I didn't do this.
You can stop it!
You can stop it.
Counselor. You won't get this, but I need to try. I'm in. I don't know where I am. No, counselor. Counselor. You wanted me. You've got me right where you wanted me, so what? What now? You set me up to fail. I trusted you. Didn't I give you years of service? Did everything you asked. How can I forgive them? How can I go to them? Is that why you sent me? Because you knew it would be the hardest thing for me to do? Don't I deserve a second chance? Wait. Sorry, please.